Hello my people, how una dey? I greet the full house o. Una do well, so una tell dey help me tell dey share, comment, like. God go bless una. I appreciate una well well. My people, na wow. Some people I will put this full video, una go lis ten to wetin really happen. May I just give una just a little of wetin happen for there. This video na 2 in 1. I'll put the other video una still lis ten to wetin happen. Una see this man wey dey for this video so. Na him friend na dey kpeme. Him friend, my people, some people too wicked. They too get bad mind. Him friend borrow am money. He borrow am 385,000 naira. When e reach time na wey suppose to give him friend the money back, he no come get the money to give am back. Wetin he come do? He come go tell another person say, see o, I no get money to give this my friend, and my friend dey disturb me. I just want make we just remove hair comot for him nose. My people, hey, I say some people wickedness. I no know but I go dey think am. Wetin you no fit create, you go just, e go dey hungry you make you just destroy that thing when you know say that thing you no go fit create that thing. Hey, but some people dem get bad mind. Person give you money borrow, problem don come. If e no give you na, another problem don come. Na im cause am. Some people dem dey make friends, e go just tell him friends say, as me with you just dey play so, e just good o, make money problem no come scatter us, so I no go ask you, you no go ask me. Na im cause am. Some people instead of am to borrow him friend money, e go borrow person wey no know money. Una see wetin friend dey do to friend. This one do good. May God no let our good kill us. Person do good for you, wetin you take pay am? You use him life take pay am. He use him life take pay am. He no think about the time when you need that money, that person stand for you, he give you that money borrow. If you go, my people, some people they too get mind. If I just dey lose something wey dey happen, I'll say let's say no give am now, problem go dey ground. He give you, you know, now wow, he go organize, then remove hair comot for him nose. My people, me I put the video, more than lis ten. I'll still put another video join this one. Now do well, so I tell they help me dey share. One love. My people, I don come back again. This one another video. More than see this video, man. Now wow, now see this slave queen. He enter taxi o, taxi carry am. He tell am where they go. He give the man address. Now the man dey drive dey go. Na Lagos e for happen. So the man, he give am address now. He say he come dey drive dey go. I will put the video now. Still listen to the man wetin dey talk. He say as him dey drive dey go now, go slow dey. Everybody know as Lagos be. He say na the woman come tell am say, just stop for here. He come tell am say he no fit stop for here o, because car dey pass where you say me I for stop. I know say Lagos na, you no fit just stop anyhow. He say so he come find where stop. He say the woman come out for inside car. He no gree give am money. Na he come dey tell am say, madam wait o. Una know say sometimes e dey happen like that. Say you don enter car, you dey think say you don pay, you just comot. But when driver come tell you say you never pay, you go sorry o, because maybe you get wetin you dey think, you go come pay am. He say so the driver come say, he come tell am say, madam, you never pay me money o, you just dey go. He say the woman just dey waka dey go. Now he come dey waka follow am. He come hold am say, give me money wey I take carry you reach here. Now the woman start to dey vibrate o. Now the man come carry, una know say camera. Now he come carry him phone and start to dey record the woman. Say, mona see this woman o, I carry am, no be say I no carry am. He don reach where he dey go now. Where he say me I for stop, I no fit stop for there because of security, because of people wey dey inside car, because of her whole life also. Because na car dey drive follow there, he no fit stop for there. He stop for another place. Then the woman just come down. He no gree give am the money. Then the man come dey record am. So people come for there, come dey ask say wetin dey happen. The woman no gree pay him money. Even though say maybe you wan stop for, I no know as I take talk am, maybe e no gree stop for there, go stop for another place. Na the truth, because e no fit stop anyhow, e no fit park anyhow, make dem no go seize the car, make dem no go even give am motor, make dem all this road safety no go wele am for road. At least give am the money wey e take carry you. No be say no carry you, no be say no carry the woman reach where e dey go. The woman refuse to give am money o. This kind thing no good. The poor man na him fuel na him use. Give am the money, e no gree give am. Then the man come the video and say, this video him go put am for social media, make dem for know the kind of person wey you be. Person wey wake up in the morning, carry a car, e dey drive dey go, you no dey pity am. E get family to feed. E get but some people me I no know why some people get mad like that. As far as say you don enter inside the car don move. No be say where you dey go, e no carry you reach there just because of say e pass there small, because e no fit stop for there. Give am the money, make you dey go. E no gree. E dey follow the man, dey make wahala. E no give am. The man say go post am. Na the man post am, make everybody say see the kind of person wey this person be. Why some women be like that? He say why you go touch me? He say the man touch am. The man say he touch you, make you for stop now, make you for wait. You come down for inside car, you no gree give me money. Now you let the man say use am take touch am, say madam, my money wey I take carry you reach here, now say make you give me. He say na because of say the man touch am, he no wan give am money o. Na so he talk. Say na because of say the man touch am, why the man go touch am? But you wey come down for inside car, why you no pay money before you comot? Or maybe you forget, as the man dey call you, you no gree answer. Now you use am take touch you, say madam my money I carry you reach here where you wan stop now, but you no gree give me my money. Some people dem too like problem, dem too like wahala. Because of say you be a woman. I believe say if na man na do this kind thing, the man go push shirt, he go say oya, na you buy my car for me, abi na you dey feed me, abi na you buy fuel for me. Because of say na woman now dey make noise, you no give am money, make the man dey go. Or make you even dey vex, I no know say you no fit stop for here. Now wan use let say waka go back. The man go tell you say sorry madam, there we no fit park put because of all this road safety, make dem no go beat am or destroy a car. Everybody know say you no fit park anyhow again. Na wa for some people, their wahala too much. The wahala wey dem get even big pass dem. E go be like say the problem wey dem get for house, dem wan come put am for another person wey dem see for road. Dem put am for a body. And this man now, if they come dey follow that woman drag, now dem come say na woman na you dey follow drag. Why you dey follow woman? So women, their wahala no good. Dem too get problem. Their problem e big pass dem. Like this one wey just dey do like this now. If man touch you now, they go say why you touch am? You no suppose do am because of money. But you now, you no respect yourself. You no respect yourself. Thank God say the man head calm. Calm. Not be those one. May I put the video more na hear wetin happen for the video, my people. Now do well. God bless you all. Bye.